It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it's been about a week since I've done an episode, but here I am, yet again, doing for you what nobody else really does. Anyway, so I got this noodle. This came out of an Exotic Nudes box. Go to exoticnudes.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is Ottogi snack ramen from South Korea. And what makes it snack ramen? I don't know. It's got the same amount of calories as a regular cup. It's even got a sachet and it's got some veggies in it, but it only takes 2 minutes. And I guess the 3 minutes puts it in a class that's, 3 minutes? That's not a snack, that's a lot of prep time. This one's 2 minutes, that's suitable for a snack. It's nice and quick and easy and everybody can call it a snack, I guess. I find that. I don't know. Let's pour water in it. Let's see if after a week I've learned how to spill water into the direct place. And, there's a drip. There we are, slapping a lid on it, doing it up for 2 minutes, and put you over here, snack, and let me turn this down a little bit. Yeah, it's been a crazy week, but things be good. Quote of the day from our book, Momofuku Ando Speaks, quotes from the guy who invented the instant noodle. I don't remember where we're at. We'll do 63 and 64 today. Number 63. Forget about your knowledge and experience and start from scratch. And number 64. Something is always born from the ruins of destruction. So, now, there you go. Let's see what's going on. Not a lot. Just kind of chilling. Been doing less walking, but doing a lot less. Haven't had pizza, so that's good. And yeah, 2 minutes for these. 2 freaking minutes. Can you believe it? 2 minutes. Think of all the things you could be doing. You got 30 seconds left. You could be waiting 30 seconds. What if this noodle was only a minute and a half? It'd be done right now, right? So, I don't know. I think the whole snack concept is kind of for the birds, but we'll see. I had this one. I think this was review number 234. This was like the last time I tasted this was 10 years ago. That's why it gets its own new review and number and all that crap. So, but it's been hard for me to get instant noodles lately. So if you're a company or an individual that might have varieties I haven't tried, hit me up and please help me out. Because this will be review number what? 3,995, and then I just kind of like realized, oh crap, I'm pretty much out right before I hit 4,000. Luckily, in the last week, some nice people have sent some nice noodles. Thank you very much. So there will be lots of new ones, at least for the short term. But when I do like 3 reviews a day, most days of the work week, and there you go. I go through those pretty darn quick. You know what I mean? Pretty quick. So it says there's beef extract in this one. I figured a good thing to add into this would be beef. Well, let's give it a try. Noodle hydrates pretty darn well for 2 minutes. I will say that. I don't know what the difference of the noodle's structure is to make it hydrate that much quicker. They're very thin, They're still round in gauge and not like cup noodles that are flat. Interesting. And the broth, here, let's put you in broth view mode. You can look down a little bit. See? You can see that broth. Nice. Nice. See, broth? It does taste kind of beefy. I was expecting this one to have a little bit of saltiness, but it really has none. There's like... So you know it's not really salty when I'm like hunting for it with my taste face. My face hole stuff. My mouth. As Michael Ironside, the famous Canadian action hero movie guy. What's your move? But yeah. If you're like unfamiliar, I'm sure you are familiar, you just don't recognize the name. Trust me, you know who that guy is. You've seen Starship Troopers. God, I hope you've seen Starship Troopers. That's epic sci-fi. You gotta have seen that. And yeah, look at that. That does look like a snack. Look at that. That's a snack bowl of noodles if I ever saw one. And in this snack bowl of noodles, we're gonna add some mung bean sprouts. I was like so preoccupied last week that I didn't do any reviews. My lovely wife got me mung bean sprouts. I didn't use any, and I feel like a absolute scumbag for that. That's not cool. Gotta use the mung bean sprouts. Not only that, they were good ones. I mean, they were gonna last a week. I had some beefissimo. This one in there too. I think we definitely need to fire up old Holy Slicer. I wonder if it still works. I hope it does. After a week? Why wouldn't it? But I don't want it to feel like unloved, because that is like the Holy Slicer. Pay homage to it regularly. Holy Slicer. I think that's about as far as I want to go with Holy Slicer today. That looks nice. That's it's not too much, not too little. I think it's going to be not obscene in any way, shape, or form. Wow, I'm enthused. I'm gonna add a little bit of sesame seed. I think that's a wiener. Look at that. You can be a wiener too. Look at this. Look at this amazing food thing. You can be a real wiener with this noodle. Let's see if I can make it. Let's see if I can be a wiener and make the noodle bowl right in the center. This is noodle bowl centering music if I ever heard it, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. The noodle bowl is centered. about there. Right there. And I don't want to listen to this song anymore, so we'll get to listen to something else. Or that. There you go. For watching. The next episode is gonna be this German cup noodles 5-spice beef from Germany. I think they're made in Hungary actually. And you know what, for you freaking haters out there, my wife's gonna try it. She's at home, so she's gonna try eating it. So if she likes it, that means that one won't go down the garbage disposal like this one will. Okay, all right, that's been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.